So now he's going to do dog walk to the weaves that are closest to you that you see off on your left, over the jump and into the tunnel. And I'm going to try to get the tunnel. And Blizzard, leave this alone. Leave it. Lie down. Thank you. So I'll try to get the tunnel in there, but it's kind of hard. Let's see if I can cant it back a little bit so y'all can see him going into the tunnel. So you're going to see him go into the tunnel. Okay. And there's Blizzard's ear. Blizzard, can you give it down? Blizzard, come. Ready, down. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Come on, birdie. Let's practice your jump. Ready? Ready? He's going to practice his jump. Ready? Go. Out over. Yes. Good boy. Go, Ben. Tunnel. Come back. Jump. Weave. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yay, buddy. Let's try that jump to the, let's try that again. Jump to the tunnel. Jump to the tunnel. Ready, go. Go jump. Oops. Full jump. Ready. 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 Come, 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 come. Good boy. Nice job. Ready, come. Come on. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. Jump. Tunnel. Yay, good boy. Good boy. And that's it for your training. So we don't train a whole lot, we just do a little bit.